Alright guys, we're back again. We've got our August 2021 Mystery Tackle Box Elite Bass Box. They changed the color now, so they're all red. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. Got my angler today.
Hi.
Alright, let's see what we got, buddy.
Okay. Is that like crankbait?
Yeah, got a square bill crankbait.
Nice little bass bait. What's the
Made
color?
by Excite. It's like a 2 to 5? Yeah, 2 to 5 foot diver.
Pretty good. Nothing bass. Then we got two like worm bass hook things.
Yeah, that's some worm hooks.
They're called the world's
Plastic.
sharpest hooks, made by whatever that name is, like Dachi.
Dachi, yeah, 3/0.
Pretty nice.
2. We told you in another video, you don't get a lot of hooks.
Oh, jeez.
What is this?
Big whopper popper, maybe?
Spin Walker. So it's got a spinner underneath it. And
Kind of looks like a whopper plopper.
That's interesting.
Well, kind of like a whopper plopper.
Spin Walker. Huh.
Okay, the next bait, or whatever, next resource is,
there you go.
Spinner bait. Pretty nice. 3/8 of an ounce.
Yeah, we actually like these. These are actually pretty good for us. Have been.
Then we got a whole bunch of, like, I don't know what these things are.
Bondi Bait Company. Bondi worms. 15 pack of pearl.
Imitated shad.
It seems like something we've used in the darker waters, I believe, but I have never used these before. I'll have to try those.
Kind of looks like a drop shot. Looks like you can use it for drop shot and just bounce it.
Yeah. Yeah, it is about that size. So it doesn't tell you much about it on here. It doesn't give you a bait size, and there's really nothing on the back. What else we got in there?
And we got a, one of the...
Oh, good, a spoon.
About...
Oh, that's a big spoon.
Yeah, about 2 1/4 inch.
Yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Pretty nice.
Yep, 2 1/4. Never heard of castic before. All right.
Then we got a like bag. I'm guessing. I don't know. Like hook defender.
By 2A size, your free medium pack plus hook defender. You know what I think this is, Jay? I think this is the thing that you put your lures in. Wrap the hook defender around your lure and pole, securing all hooks. Yeah, it's to keep you from, hooking the bench down there and breaking the tips off the poles.
We're not going to talk about that. Next bait we got is a... Oh, aren't those things we use to catch?
Yeah, that's swimmers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've actually had really good luck with these.
These are pretty good baits.
Haven't heard of this brand before. Oh, good. They're USA made. That's nice. We'll definitely give those a try. They look like they're... I think they're 3 1/2s. No, they might be the 4-inch. And what color are they? Were they just black?
No, those are brown.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they got a little pumpkin in them.
About a pumpkin.
Yeah, those are nice.
And then we go to our stickers.
Oh yeah, got a mystery tackle box. Here, this tells you what we got in our box.
$20 13 fishing spin walkers. $20.
Is that little bag?
Oh, that's this thing.
Oh, that's okay, that's that.
This bad boy. I think it's huge.
Okay. Sight baits. Okay. And of course, this is your little book. A lot of this tells you where to fish these baits, and here, where to fish the baits, what different baits you had.
Yep, like drop shot right there, as we said, for the the Bondi worms, which are
white ones.
These things right here. I can get them in my hands. These guys.
Yeah.
And then
There's different ways to fish these.
I don't know how we're gonna catch that bass though. He's all the way up there.
Of course, we don't have a multi-species box, but it's pretty funny. Jay actually does catch brim at the pond on bass lures all the time, poppers and everything. This is Florida fishing destination. That's nice. Each one of these books is different. So, anytime you go, like I said, where Jay learned his Ned rig, one of these little books. And like, here you go. Different ways. Just tells you different ways to fish, but each one of these books is different, and they're pretty helpful for a new angler. But yeah, that's what was in the box this month, guys. Like I said, we'll try those out and see what happens. Little swimmers we like.
Oh, got the.
This might actually be a pole saver for Jay.
Hey,
wonderful
be
thing.
quiet.
There we go.
Those are the nicer baits. It comes in a
we
bag
like
too.
those. Those are nice.
Then we got these that I definitely need.
Yeah. We really would like to see them put more than 2 hooks in the box.
In the
I
bag.
said, guys, every time we get a box, there'll be 2 hooks. So it'd be nice to see more hooks, and a couple weights would be awesome too.
Then we got that thing that I'm kind of excited for.
Square bills. It's nice because we didn't have a lot of square bill baits before we started this.
Then we have the big old Whopper Popper, which I'm excited for using.
Yeah, this crazy thing. That ought to be interesting. Try that out. So it's got a little bit of a rattle trap in there too. That's pretty neat. Well, we'll see. I said, here's what I said we got. If you can see that. Oh yeah, and then of course we got a sticker again. Alright guys, that's what we got. We'll be back next month and show you what we get then.